Hi, it's another day, and I just can't believe it's almost November. It's almost my birthday, and I wish time would just stop and I can just go back in time, but I know I can't. It's been an awful 2 years of my life, and all I can really do now is work, and try to save money. But I don't think I can even save that much because I took out loans this year so I can fund my trading, my bad trading habits, which was options. Options destroyed me last year and it destroyed me this year. I was addicted to them. I would buy a lot of options on these meme stocks and I would sell a lot of put credit spreads thinking they were safe. But with a market that's downtrending, it's not safe at all. And the signs were all there. Someone in my Discord, beginning of this year, told me to buy puts on Shopify. Shopify went down 50% from its all-time high, actually a little bit more. He said everything was overvalued, and a few other people said that as well. I blocked all those out, thinking that stocks can continue to go up. No, stocks can go down. So that was my mistake. I saw the market earlier and still not looking good. But I feel that some stocks are worth dollar cost averaging into, such as Amazon, because Amazon is not going anywhere. It will recover. That's why dollar cost average is the best way in this kind of market, because it can continue to go down, but eventually it will recover. And also Meta. Wow, Meta went down quite a bit. I don't know about Meta. Let's take a look. Year to date, it's down 71%. Today, it's down 24%. I over leverage on a lot of the put credit spreads and even cash secure puts. It's very, very dangerous because if a stock goes against you and you're on margin, you will get margin called. So I was looking on Reddit and this person sold 35. So his break even was 116 and the current price is actually much lower than this. It's like 98 after hours. So he's lost $59,000, or he's down so far. So he'll get assigned 3,500 shares tomorrow because the stock is below 120. I mean, I think the good thing about cash secure put is that you'll get assigned the shares. So as long as you're not margin call, there's still a chance for it to recover. Whereas if you bought call options, there is no chance of it recovering because they're worthless. So we have more people that sold puts. And I was told before, when I learned about this, that puts are safe. They're not in this kind of market. And especially when you're over leveraging. I mean, 9 puts, it seems quite a bit, depending on how big your account size is. So, but if you're, like I said, if you're buying options, such as this person here, this person lost $7,000. And these are, so he bought these puts, which expired, some yesterday and one that's expiring tomorrow. It's very, very dangerous because they have an expiration date and they're short term. So a stock can go against you very, very quickly, like it did for me with AMC, very quickly. And I was very stupid because at that time, everyone was talking about short squeeze. And yes, short squeeze. But the problem with me at the time was I over leveraged. I sold over 100 of them. I think if I sold maybe 10 or less than 20, my portfolio wouldn't have gotten liquidated because I would have been able to just, I think, lost like half the amount that I did with 20 naked calls. But over 100 was just, it was ridiculous. I don't know what I was thinking at the time. So this person bought puts. I mean, and these are just 3, 4, 5, 6 puts. And he's down $7,000. And the reason why they're so expensive is because the VIX is, I think, above 28. So you want to be able to sell options when the VIX is up. But the problem with that too is you just don't know if it's going to continue to go down. But buying calls or puts in this kind of environment is very, very risky. 7,000 is quite a bit of money. So again, if I had money now, I would probably put it in Amazon. If we take a look at Amazon now, Amazon is actually down 100, below 100. So we take a monthly chart here. So I think it's around 95 right now. So it's here, it's around 2020 levels. And let's just take a look. I mean, since 2012, it's been slowly uptrending. I mean, it was due for a pullback, and $100 is affordable. They had a stock split. It was 3,000, over 3,000 before, which made it very unaffordable for many people. So I'm just trying to find ways to make extra money. I'm trying to monetize my video, but nobody watches boring videos. But say if I were to talk about a popular stock, AMC, talk about AMC or Bed Bath & Beyond, I would get views. So I think that's what I need to do in order to get views. But even if I monetize, I was monetized before, I wasn't making that much. I was probably making a few dollars here and there a month, because in order to make decent money, you have to have a lot of views. Unfortunately, it doesn't matter how many subs you have, that doesn't count at all. Well, you do need at least 1,000 subs to get monetized and 4,000 watch hours. But once you get the 1,000 followers, you need views and watch time. So let me know if you guys have any side hustles